Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize your WhatsApp group. Now let's start. At first you have to open your WhatsApp app, and if you already have a group and you want to customize it, tap on the group. Now you guys can see at the top right corner of the screen 3 dots. If you tap on here, then you guys can customize your group here. If you want to see the group info, then tap on group info. Now you guys can customize it. If you want to add custom notification, then tap on here. Now tap on here. Now you guys can add notification tone. If you tap on here, now you guys can see a lot of options here. For example, I'm going to choose this one. You guys can also find vibrate option. You guys can also customize it here. If you guys want to add more person, then you guys can add it. If you tap on here, just select the person that you want to add. For example, I'm going to choose this one and then tap on the check mark. In here, if you tap on the 3 dots here again, then you guys can find out wallpaper option. If you tap on here, and then you guys can select the wallpaper, choose any of them. For example, I'm going to choose this one and then tap on set wallpaper. Now tap on OK. Now if you tap on more option, then you guys can find out report option. You guys can see exit group option. If you want to exit from the group, then you guys can use it. You guys can also clear chats from the group if you want. Now then you guys will find export chat option. If you tap on add shortcut, then you guys can add it to your home screen. So this is how you guys can customize your WhatsApp group. Now if you tap on here, now if you tap on group info, you guys can add a photo here. Now you guys can choose the photo from your gallery. You guys can also add emojis and stickers if you tap on emojis. Now choose any of the emoji or choose the color. You guys can add also stickers. Now tap on the check mark. Here you guys can find out the changes. Now let's go back. So this is how you guys can customize your WhatsApp group. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.